Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to basically use Relevance AI API. So let's just get started with that. So you can see on the left side we have our API keys section. If you are onto your dashboard of Relevance, you can see we got this integrations and API keys. So you can get started with this. And once I click onto this, you can see, just wait for a couple of moments, and yeah, so we are onto this section. Basically now we have our Relevance API keys or custom API keys. We can click on Relevance AI API keys. You can simply create a new key using this option. Simply enter in here your name. Let's just say new key and click on generate API key, and boom, that is literally it. You got your API keys. Copy these, make sure to protect these, not to so anyone cannot use this, as it is vulnerable. So yeah, make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to Relevance AI to get amazing benefits. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.